Alright guys, just wanted to do this little video because somebody told me here a while back that they wouldn't even be scared if somebody shot them with bird shot. Out of a like 410 bird shot. So I've got a Taurus Judge here and a pumpkin. And we're going to do a little range test with just bird shot. This is just Remington 410 bird shot shells out of a Taurus Judge. So I'm about 5 yards away now. I don't expect this to do a whole lot of damage, but I'm betting you don't want to get shot by it. These Judges spread so fast because it's a rifled barrel, and it didn't really do too much. Just peppered it up pretty good. So that was about 7 yards. I'm gonna move in a little bit closer here. That one took some chunks. We definitely got some pretty good penetration. Blew some chunks out of the bottom. I'll even come a little closer, because that's what this gun is for, is home defense. So you're going to be pretty close to people. That's going to ruin your day. Now let's see, somebody's running up on you point blank. What's it going to do? That'll kill you. That'll kill you. We're empty. So that's 410 bird shot point blank at a pumpkin. I wouldn't want to get shot by one anywhere around 7-8 feet away. But especially if someone bedroom, if you're in your bedroom and somebody breaks in and they come up on you and you got some bird shot loaded in your Taurus Judge, you blow a hole in them. So I wouldn't want to get shot with anything, but I'm just saying that'll make somebody's day really bad. So have a good day, everybody. We'll talk to you later. Peace out.